Okay, we had a relaxing time at Baja de Los Angeles, came back out on the highway, and the vegetation was amazing along here. Came back out and hit the one, and we went all the way up here until we got to the Pacific side, clear over in here. And then we stopped somewhere in here, but we didn't really videotape. And let me switch the map. Okay, and then we kept coming up here to San Quintin, and we checked out campgrounds along here, and then we ended up coming to Playa San Ramon. They had a restaurant there that had these crabs and stuff, so we were tired. We didn't really film much in here. And then the next day we came up here, we came across a museum, which you'll see, that was pretty neat. And then we came up just south of Ensenada in a La Jolla RV park around here, and that's where we stopped. Baja 1000 Museum here. It was a pretty neat stop. All the antiques. Huh. That's a pretty interesting stop. Museum, restaurant with some really good food. And they do trailer park too. Look at that little Honda up there. So cute. They got all kinds of goodies here. A lot of Baja 100 memorabilia here. It's pretty neat. There's a cool little sink here they have done up here. This oven. I wonder if they do pizza in this thing. Looks pretty neat. Here's the outside as you pull up. So it's kind of like a city museum and trailer repair. Pretty neat little place. I heard the margaritas are pretty darn good here too. They also have like a snack place here. You can get stuff. You know, some snacks or juice or something here. Looks like they're adding on here. It's going to be pretty neat when they're done. Very nice. Beautiful view from here too. Looking away. I like these little tire sinks. Kind of cool. Okay, we just left Acambaro and we're in La Jolla Beach Club. And it's kind of a little run down, but we're the only ones on the beach, so it's not bad. Plus on this beach, On low tide, if you could dig in the sand, there's a hot springs. So you can kind of dig a hole and enjoy the hot springs. So we're going to do that tonight or tomorrow morning. So, and we didn't really film much here.
Wasn't much to film. Kind of boring over here. From anywhere along this coast.
Los Angeles.
We left Bahia de Los Angeles and came over to the west coast. And this is all agricultural over here. It's amazing how many big, huge ranches there are growing berries and vegetables.
A little dry and dusty.
It's dry and very, very dusty. I mean, it's the dustiest air I've ever seen. And just
vineyards too.
Yeah, there's some vineyards to come tomorrow. We'll see. There's some pretty areas to drive through, but it's pretty highly populated compared to where we've been for the last 6 weeks.
So I think we're gonna enjoy the vineyards tomorrow, and I'm gonna try and pick up. I've heard about this olive oil that's supposed to be really good, since it's all natural. They don't add stuff to it like they do in the States. So hopefully it's olive oil like you get from Italy. So hopefully we're going to try and pick that up. We're going to start early tomorrow and take our time going up to Highway 3 to Cody. And then we're going to cross over to Cody tomorrow. And that will be it. We're so sad. I can't believe we need a couple more months at least. So, but yeah, this is like a shakedown trip. So we can, we know where we want to stay, where we want to go. Next time also we want to go from Todos Santos. There's a road that goes up the coast, so we're going to try that again, and then we'll probably go back up to 5, so on our next trip. So we're already planning for next winter. So you ain't got anything else, Boo?
No.
Okay. Here's the RV park. It's a little run down, but the mountains are beautiful, and the palm trees. And then down here is where the hot springs come on. So as soon as it gets to low tide, we're going to go down and dig a little spot and get some hot springs. When we were at Buena Vista with our friend's house, we were out in the ocean. You could put your feet down in the sand, and it was hot springs there too. So it was pretty neat. It's kind of overcast. Reminds me of San Francisco. Kind of overcast. There's someone out there kayaking. It seems kind of wavy to be kayaking. And the bloom was really nice. Here we got some of this pretty blooms here on the beach here. Starting to look more and more like California, what I'm used to when I go to California. So our trip's almost to the end with the Baja, and then we're gonna go home and maybe do some rafting, and then in our Salida, and then we're going to start our trip up to Alaska. So the Baja to Alaska trip is going to take a year, so keep on following us at Blue Moon Explorers. Enjoy the ride. So this is our last day in the Baja. Last day for the ocean for a while. And we're still looking for the hot springs. Sand's so pretty with the design it has. I was dreaming about this all night. And we dug holes and it was like a hot tub. It's not that way in reality.
No, I don't think so.
Oh, that's cold water. Oh, I'm bummed. I guess we'll have to research this one more. I don't see any. Do you, honey? Well, the realities of RVing, not everything goes as you planned. But it's about the journey, not the destination.
Dug a few holes.
I know, you tried, honey.
Found warm sand somewhere.
Thank you for trying. I got the best. He came out here this morning. Oh yeah, and someone stole our other shovel, so we had to do it with our baby shovel. Oh well. Well, we're up to the wine country today. Here we're on the beach. It's really nice. Feels cool. Nice to be out of the heat. Of course, we wanted to get out of the cold in Colorado, and now we're wanting back in the warm weather. So go to Phoenix, go visit some family. There's some favorite restaurants there we like. And then we'll head back up to Colorado. I look forward to talking to you all soon.
Yeah, we're Blue Moon Explorers. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Remember to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so that you're notified of our latest videos. And living the dream. See you on the road. Adios.